Alrighty. I want to show you guys something that's going on in my Skyrim. It's not necessarily a bug. It's not necessarily an included feature. It is because I didn't set my mods up right. Specifically, the two mods are Deadly Dragons and Dragon Combat Overhaul. Apparently, you're supposed to disable them in a very specific way, or else something like this happens. You can kind of hear them and see them. There's 3 right there. And oh look, there's 3 more. In Whiterun, sieging the city. And there goes someone. Yep. And unfortunately, my summons are fucking ass. That's not the right spell. Unfortunately, because of the way this character is set up, I do nothing more than tickle them with my magic. It's my summons that do all the work. I want to pull a torch. I don't know how my Daedra keeps dying. Or my Archonok, or whatever the fuck it is. Real fucking useful right now. Oh, I'm gonna die. Well, there's that. And then we scarf down some Jimmy. Oh my god. Why? Jesus Christ. I don't know if leaving the city will fix this or not. Oh! Hey there, buddy. You want to help out? Oh, God. In case he wasn't aware. Yorlin's such a badass, he just goes fucking jogging during a dragon attack. He just does not give a shit. Oh, there he goes. Now I'm just gonna walk through fire, guys. No big deal. Good God, this is insane. I can't fight these guys. They don't land here, and there are 4 of them. Looks like 1, 2, 3. I don't know. They are fucking flying everywhere. And I'm dead. So yeah. Yep. That's where I'm stuck. So, you know, seems like fun, right? I actually am having a lot of fun.